Yeah. Late nights. Late nights, long roads, heavy silence in my zone. Everybody want to shine, but they don't stay when it's cold. I've been building on my own, chasing dreams till it hurts. Cause excellence is lonely work. Excellence is lonely work. I grind while they all asleep, paying dues nobody sees, planting roots that run so deep. 1,000 nights alone, but that's the price I had to pay. Cause legends walk a path where most will never stay. Excellence is lonely work, but I embrace the pain. Standing in a storm, I still dance inside the rain. Excellence is lonely work, it's heavy but it's real, and the weight upon my shoulders is the reason that I heal. They don't see the sacrifices, they just see the